question for you. Uh, it is asked to show that this everything LHS is equal to 1 by 32. Just I am writing the LHS. To get this exactly equal to 1 by 32, what are we doing is just multiply and divide by 2 sine pi by 11. Let us see what happens if by doing that. Okay, so I am multiplying dividing by 1 divided by 2 sine pi by 11. Here divided and here I am multiplying 2 sine pi by 11 into this everything I am writing as it is cos pi by 11 cos 2 pi by 11 cos 3 pi by 11 cos 4 pi by 11 and cos 5 pi by 11, right? So here this 1 divided by 2 sine pi by 11 I write as it is, and just look at this. If you consider this pi by 11 as a, it is in the form of 2 sine a cos a. So 2 sine a cos a is equal to sine 2a we have. So I am using that formula. 2 sine a cos a is equal to sine 2a. That is in the sense sine 2a, that is 2 pi by 11. Okay. To understand this question, you should thorough with the formula. So that's why every time I'm asking, go through the previous videos and download the formula and learn it. So and the remaining terms I write as it is. It is cos 2 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 cos 4 pi by 11 and cos 5 pi by 11. I am not changing anything in the remaining part. Again, if you look at this, again it is going to be the same formula, but here 2 is less. That's why again I multiply and divide by 2. Already here 1 by 2 is there. If I multiply and divide by 2, this will become 2 square and sine pi by 11 as it is, into here I divided, now multiplying by 2. It is 2 sine 2 pi by 11 cos 2 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 cos 4 pi by 11 cos 5 pi by 11, right? So here I write this as it is, 2 square sine pi by 11, and have a look at this. This again in the form of 2 sine a cos a. If 2 pi by 11 is considered as a, it is in the form of 2 sine a cos a. It is going to be sine 2a. That in the sense sine 2a. 2 into 2 pi by 11, it is 4 pi by 11. Okay, and the remaining 3 terms are there. To make again the same formula, what I am doing is just this cos 4 pi by 11 I am writing here. Cos 4 pi by 11, and the remaining these 2 terms I write cos 3 pi by 11, and further here this cos 5 pi by 11, so I write as it is. Later we will see about that. Cos 5 pi by 11 as it is. Again, to make this formula I need one more 2, so that's why again here I multiply and divide by 2 again to get the formula again. Okay, so here 1 divided by, when I'm dividing by 2, here I get 2 cube, this sine pi by 11 as it is, I am multiplying by 2, that is 2 sine 4 pi by 11 cos 4 pi by 11 into this is cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. Okay, so here what happens, this I write as it is 1 divided by 2 cube sine pi by 11. Again this has become formula, it is like 2 sine a cos a. So I write sine 2a, that is sine 2 into 4 pi by 11, it is 8 pi by 11 into here I have cos 3 pi by 11. Okay, let me write this cos 3 pi by 11 as it is into cos 5 pi by 11. Now further we don't have to make the formula. So here only whatever the available terms we try to convert into some other form to get a proper formula. For that here what we do is, if you check these two angles 8 pi by 8 pi and 3 pi, it is together it is giving 11. So here sine 8 pi by 11 I can convert into 3 pi. That is by using, here we have a relation of the sine ratio. Every sine theta we can write as sine of pi minus theta. Am I right? Every sine theta you can write as sine of pi minus theta. Why? Because sine of pi minus theta gives sine theta. To understand this, watch my previous video. Okay. So here I am going to change this sine 8 pi by 11 by using this formula. Okay. So this 1 divided by 2 cube sine pi by 11 as it is into, it is like sine theta. Every sine theta you can write sine of pi minus theta. So that I am writing sine of pi minus, this is theta. So I write 8 pi by 11. And the remaining terms as it is cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. Okay. So further 1 divided by 2 cube sine pi by 11 into sine of, here I simplify this. What do you get? 11 into pi, 11 pi minus 8 pi, this you are getting 3 pi by 11, right? Into again cos 3 pi by 11. I think you understood why did I write like that, again to get the previous formula. Okay, cos 5 pi by 11. Here to get this again formula, here I need one more 2, that's why here multiply and divide by 2 again. Okay, so here I get 1 divided by 2 power 4 and sine pi by 11. This I write till last step, so somewhere else it should get cancelled, right? So here this is 2 sine 3 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. This is 1 divided by 2 power 4 sine pi by 11 into this. We got again the formula, right? It is in the form of 2 sine a cos a, that I can write sine 2a. It is sine 2 into 3 pi by 11, it is 6 pi by 11. And this is cos 5 pi by 11 as it is, I write. Okay. And again here you can see these two angles, 6 pi plus 5 pi together it is giving 11. Again I am going to change this sine 6 pi by 11 by using the previous formula. What is that previous formula? Recall this sine theta, every sine theta you can express as sine of pi minus theta. So again I am going to use the same formula over here. Okay, so this is 1 divided by 2 power 4 sine pi by 11 into This is sine. How do I write? It is like sine theta. I am writing sine of pi minus theta, right? By 11 into cos pi by 11 as it is. Okay. This is 1 divided by 2 power 4 sine pi by 11 into sine of, if I simplify this, what do I get? 11 pi minus 6 pi, it is 5 pi by 11 into cos pi by 11. Okay, again I need 2 here to get formula. So again I multiply and divide by 2. Already 2 power 4 is there. Here I get 2 power 5 sine pi by 11. Here I write 2 sine pi by 11. Here multiply and then divide into cos 5 pi by 11. Okay, just let me change my writing paper. Okay, we continue. Here this is 1 divided by 2 power 5 sine pi by 11, and this has become formula like 2 sine a cos a. So this we can write as sine 2a, that is in the sense sine 2 into 5 pi by 11, it is 10 pi by 11. Okay, again this sine 10 pi by 11 I want to write by using the previous formula. Every sine theta you can write as sine of pi minus theta. So this is 2 power 5 sine pi by 11 into, this is like sine theta, we write as sine of pi minus theta, sine of pi minus 10 pi by 11. Okay, so this is 1 divided by 2 power 5 sine pi by 11 into, just we simplify the bracket value, like 11 pi minus 10 pi, it is a pi by 11. So here this sine pi by 11 and sine pi by 11 gets cancels. The remaining is 1 divided by 2 power 5, which is equal to 1 divided by 32, which is we require to prove, which is equal to RHS we write. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you for watching video.